My name is Rasmus. I'm from Geranium in Copenhagen. The next one I will show you is a crispy bite made from these beautiful shiny diamonds, which is crispy beetroot juice. And then I'm gonna fill them with some jam from raspberries, just a little bit. Then I will place a little piece of frozen yogurt inside. And in the other shell, I will just add a little bit of plain yogurt. I will add some different aromatic herbs, which also bring some acidity. The wood sorrel. This one here is the tagetes plants, which bring some citrus flavor. We should just go 3 of them. So this one here is the link between the savory courses to the sweet ones. So I want it to be like a crispy, surprising bite, full of texture and flavors. And this is one of the signature dishes that we've been doing since a few years. Then I will place this one here on top. So everything is inside. I'm just gonna dust with a little bit of icing sugar to make it a little more mysterious. And then I will place it on the spoon. And voila, ready to enjoy. One bite. Take it away.